We apply heat to the device to remove the battery cover. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. We remove the back cover. We release the screws of the middle frame. For that, we use a professional Phillips screwdriver. Very carefully, we are going to remove the middle frame. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. We remove the battery. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. Now we return with the assembly process.